In this video, I will show you how you can check if a given number is odd or even using bitwise operator. So this is a C program, and if you check this method, it is very simple and you must have used in your codes, where we are just taking modulo by 2 and checking the remainder. If it's 1, then it's odd, otherwise 7. But we are here for bitwise operation. Let's check this method, where I am not using modulo, but I am using bitwise AND operation. So I am just performing the bitwise AND operation between the given number and 1. If it's returning non-zero value, which means true, then it's an odd number, otherwise it's even. Let me explain why this works. So if you convert any number into binary, you can observe this pattern. If it's an odd number, then rightmost digit always be 1, and if it's an even number, then rightmost digit always be 0. And we are performing AND with 1, and you can say 1 will be like this. The rightmost bit will be 1, rest all other bits will be 0. If you perform AND operation, everything except rightmost bit will be always 0, and only rightmost bit will have different value depending on whether given number is odd or even. If it's odd, then rightmost digit will be 1, and your bitwise operation will give you 1. Otherwise, if it's a even number, then rightmost digit will be 0, and AND operation of 0 and 1 will be 0, and this will give you 0, which means it will go here and number is even. And also this bitwise operation will be much faster and much more efficient than the traditional one, where we are taking modulo by 2. So next time, if you have to check if a number is odd or even in your code, use this bitwise operator